My name is Siniša Lasan and I am head sommelier for Ixus Premium Dubrovnik and Croatian champion for sommeliers 3 times. Today we will speak about Plavac mali. Plavac mali is a red grape variety coming from Croatia. The best areas for Plavac mali are, of course, first of all Dingač, only PDO in Croatia, but as well we have excellent wines from area of Postup, Mili, Ivan Dolac or Murvica in Island Brač. As well, we need to mention Komarna, which is 100% ecological appellation and the newest vineyard area in Croatia, which is as well on the south. Plavac mali usually give us full-bodied, heavy red wines with a lot of tannins, a lot of ripe red fruits, a lot of Mediterranean herbs, and usually it's very strong wine, strongest from all of grape varieties which are coming from Croatia. So today we will taste one of them. This one is coming from the area of Komarna. As we see, color is wine is of course clear. There is no evidence of gas or sediment. This is day bright. It's ruby red color with small amount of purple rims. On the nose, wine is of course clean. It's quite pronounced fruitiness. I get quite a lot of dark red fruits and red fruits. I get plum, dark cherries, a lot of aromas like vanilla or some baking spices, dry Mediterranean herbs as well. Nose is, as I said, very well pronounced. It's, I mean, smell is you can feel like a sun and the sea in this glass of wine. The palate, wine is of course dry. It's medium acidity, alcohol level is medium to medium plus. Considering tannin level is medium plus, but as well rich with tannins, but they are very well rounded, balanced, slightly fruit tannins. Let's say considering profile of aromas on the palate, I will confirm all of those which I actually smell on the nose. A lot of dark red fruits, chocolate, cocoa, vanilla, baking spices, some sweet spices as well. It's, stays very long on the palate, of course. So this wine, I would say, this is a full-bodied red, but still, as it's coming from this youngest appellation from Komarna, it's still, I would say, very young and quite fresh. This wine I will serve from Bordeaux glass on 60 to 80 degrees of Celsius, and decant it or not, it's I would say that it's up to you, but you can decant the wine as well. Perfect food pairing for this wine, I will go with red meat. Of course, in this case I will go for dry age, let's say rump steak, and of course with some vegetables on the side. I think that Plavac mali, as I mentioned in the beginning, it is still #1 red grape variety in Croatia because it's of course mostly planted. And in these cold days, I suggest you that you finish your day with a glass of Plavac mali because it will warm you up for sure. Merry Christmas to everybody and Happy New 2021 year from me. Thank you very much, guys. Cheers.